We'll start with a ring exactly like we did before. Pinch it, wrap around, pinch it again. So what's our rhythm? Towards you, under, over, pull the shuttle tight, relax the finger, and pull it down. Second half, away from you, over, under, pull your shuttle, relax your hand, and there's your little slip knot. So let's make, I don't know, we'll do 5s. So 1, 2, under, over, away from you, over, under, 3, towards you, under, over, pull shuttle, away from you, over, under, pull your shuttle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're gonna make a picot. A picot is just a space between the 2 knots. Honestly, if you're just learning, you've probably made all sorts of picots and didn't know that they were not mistakes, that they were just picots. So, towards you, under, over, flip the knot. Now, instead of pulling it all the way down tight, you're going to just want to leave it about there. Pinch it so you don't accidentally close it all the way off. Second half, over, under, close it up tight next to it. Then, you pull them together and you have this little loop, and that little loop is called a picot. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. 2. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. Remember, the magic to knot flipping is to relax your hand and tighten your shuttle. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. So there's 5. Let's make one more picot. Ready? Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, but don't tighten it all the way down. Leave it about like that. Hold on to it, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. You want to pull it tight, but not so tight that it doesn't slide easily. So now we have our second little picot, and we've got 1 stitch, so we'll do 4 more. Towards you, under, over, tighten the shuttle, release the hand. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. So, we have our row of stitches. We have 2 picots. Let's pull the shuttle thread. Pull, 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 so this ring closes up. And there we have it with 2 little picots. So here's what we've got so far. We've got our ring with no picots. We've got our ring with 2 picots. Now, let's try joining the picots together. So first you have to make a ring with which to join. So we'll do it in 3s this time. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. 1. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. 2. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, and away from you, over, under, flip the knot. 3. So let's make a picot. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, leaving a little bit of space. away from you, over, under, flip the knot, close it up, there's a picot, and 1 stitch, let's add another picot, so a little bit of space, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. Okay, last picot, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, and leave a little bit of space, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, there's 1, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, there's 2, okay, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. So we have 3 picots. We'll close this up. So here's our new pattern. We've got 3 stitches in between each picot. This one would have joined to the previous ring. This one's just going to be decorative. This one will join to the next ring. All right, so my kids are hiding under my workbench. Hopefully they won't be too loud. Now that we have our one little design, let's make a second one. So give yourself a little bit of space, hold it tight, wrap around. We're just going to make another ring. So towards you, under, over, flip the knot, and yourself about that much space, hold it, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. So there's 3. Now let's join this ring to the previous one. So line up your picot over your thread, put the point of your shuttle into the picot and try and hook up that hand thread. If you're going to do it with a hook, line it up and pull it up. Once you have this little loop here, put your shuttle through it and pull it. Make sure you're still sliding and you've attached. Now we'll do 3 more. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot, towards you, under, over, flip the knot, away from you, over, under, flip the knot. So there's our 3. Now let's make a decorative picot. So we'll just leave a little bit of space. Towards you, under, over, flip the knot and leave a little bit of space. Hold it pretty tight. Away from you, over, under, flip the knot. Towards you, away from you, towards you, away from you. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3. Now we'll make the picot to join to the next ring. So towards you, a little bit of space, hold tight, away from you, 1, 2, 3. All right. So now we'll pull our shuttle thread. And there we are. And they're joined together. All right, so let's make a third one. Leave yourself a little bit of space. Wrap it around your hand. And we'll make 3 stitches. Alright, so let's join the picot. Remember, put the picot over your thread and either with the point of your shuttle or a hook. Grab it and pull it up through. Pass your shuttle through the loop. Tighten your loop with your index finger and make sure it slides. So 3 more to our decorative picot. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll make a decorative picot, so just leave a little bit of space. Hold it tight. 1, towards you, away from you, towards you, away from you. So now we'll make our last picot, which will join to the next ring. Towards you, away from you, pull it tight. All right, now we're going to close our ring, so we'll pull our shuttle thread, tighten it up, and there's our little pattern. So we have a ring by itself, we have a ring with a couple of picots, and we have our first pattern, which has joined picots and decorative rings. So I hope this was helpful and above all fun, and that you'll join me for the next video when I introduce chains into our beautiful little pattern. So until then, bye! And we'll make 3 stitches